What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys might be able to hear, it is currently raining outside, which means we will not be using this car today because of obvious reasons. We're gonna be using this car. Well, my camera died. What a great way to start the video, right? We're gonna be taking this car out and having some fun with it. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and get a little cool start. Just washed my car like 2 days ago, so I definitely don't want to take it out in the rain, but I'm not taking that car out, so I don't have a choice. Yeah, bro, it's really flooded out here. Guys, I'm not even exaggerating. This is literally a river over here. I should have not brought this car out. It's not low, but I mean, damn, this thing is horrible. We're swimming out here, bro. I can't make this up. Oh my god. Thank god I'm not slammed, bro. If I was like in a lowered car, like I mean, this is lowered, but it's not slammed. It would have been all types of bad. Bro, this thing is horrible out here. You guys live in Cali? You guys know what I'm talking about. I mean, it's not as bad as I guess up north, but still. Wild.
Seconds later.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but the string on my tire is hanging. Wires are out. It's raining.
Later.
Alright guys, it is now a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. So one of like the little clips that I got recorded in a time lapse on my GoPro, I was actually explaining to you guys how to drift in this car, because I have gotten that question asked a lot in the last video that I posted, drifting this or sliding this, whatever. I want to call it drifting, but you get the point. A lot of you guys were asking me how I get this car to slide. So before I go on with this, I want to say that this is a sport package. This comes with the LSD. If you have a base model, it comes with the open diff, I believe. So I mean, it's a little harder to slide, I guess, but you can still slide it. I mean, this car's an open diff, and I used to slide it back when it was NA. So what I do, I hope I can do it, because I'm not trying to turn the car on. It's like 2 in the morning. See if I can do it. What the heck? All right, so let's pretend the car's on. I will put it in sport mode. There's a little whatever this is called. put it in sport mode, put it in the manual mode, turn off traction control, this button over here somewhere, and yeah, I mean, for open diffs, what I would do on the Z, I would hit, if it started opening up, for example, say like I start to do the donut and it doesn't want to like kick out, I would hit second gear and it'll do it. So usually when you hit second, it starts to slide a lot easier. For example, with my old G37 that I still, now it's my dad's, but with that car, it's also open diff. So same thing as this car, sometimes they wouldn't want to slide, so I would hit second and then it'll kick out. So if you guys have an open diff, hitting second does help. But yeah guys, I also wanted to mention in this video that everything is for sale. This car that, I'm just kidding, okay, no cars are for sale, but those wheels are for sale if you guys are interested. As you guys can see, those of you guys that missed the last video, the Tome is no longer on the Q50. So if you drive a Q50 and want a Tome, it's for sale. Hit me up on Instagram. What else is for sale? Okay, so the wheels, the Tome is for sale. Let me go show you guys the Tome. So the Tome is pretty much new. It's only a month old. It's got a little dirty, but other than that, the only thing wrong with it, it's not anything wrong with it, it won't affect it, is this little scratch. That's about it. This one, I mean, I paid $1,300 for it. If you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram. I have this thing over here, my first turbo. I was gonna put it back on, but I mean, I don't think so. I kind of like my current one. This was the turbo that made all the crazy turbo noises. It's a Precision 6266 ball bearing turbo. I mean, it made really good power. The thing is rated for like 800 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. Might be wrong, I'm not too sure. If you guys want it, also shoot a DM on Instagram. There is no shaft play. Turbo solid. It's powder coated black. If you guys want to boost your VQ or boost any car actually, or just upgrade a turbo and want a 6266, hit me up. As far as those wheels go, if I don't sell them probably like within the next week, I'm gonna just get new tires all around and probably powder coat them all black. What do you guys think? I feel like all black would look sick, and then wrap it, but I kind of do want to sell them. So if any of you guys want to buy these, hit me up on Instagram. It does need 2 front tires. But yeah guys, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. I'm sorry once again for the POV clip that got recorded in time lapse. I don't even know what happened. I mean, it was my fault. I probably like pressed the button on accident. But yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys have any type of videos that you guys want to see on the channel, feel free to comment them down below. I'm trying my best to bring you guys cool content that's very entertaining, whether it be racing, sliding, or just going to like car meets, stuff like that. And I also want to take my mom on a ride in this car. I haven't taken her on a ride since it's been tuned. I've pretty much taken everybody already. I do want to take my mom, so that'll probably be one of the next videos. But yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.